We shall accept your surrender, devil. We're not done just yet. Let's destroy all the soul contracts. Well, what are you waiting for?
What if we don't have to do this?
Aw.
Think about it. The devil's insane wealth comes from these contracts. If we keep them, nothing can ever bother us again.
Are you insane?
Come on, we can live a better life with this.
You're out of your mind. Give me those.
And why should I listen to you? Are you fooling me into keeping these all for yourself?
The devil's gone to your head, brother.
You really don't think this through. Last chance for you to join me.
Never. Hand them over, I'm going to take them myself.
All right. But there's still one soul contract left for me to collect.
Hold on. This is crazy.
You're right. Something is wrong with me. I guess I just like gambling more than I should.
Don't make me hurt you.
I'd like to see you try.
You really do go all out, huh? All right, I'm up. Is that?
What happened?